To create the basket weave stitch, we will start by drawing evenly spaced vertical bars across the shape we're going to be filling in with the stitch. Starting on the leftmost vertical bar, we will bring our needle up just on the outside of the shape and create one long stitch to follow the vertical bar we drew in. We will repeat this process moving left to right until we have all vertical bars stitched in all the way across our shape. Now that our vertical bars are stitched in, we will begin our weaving stitches. I like to split my shape into smaller, more manageable pieces, so as you can see, I have drawn a horizontal dividing line. This way I can work on the upper half of the shape, take a break, and then work on the bottom half of the shape to complete the pattern. Starting on the right-hand side in the middle of our shape, bring your needle up on the outside of the pattern line. On the surface of our fabric, we will take our needle and weave over and under our vertical bars until we reach the end of the shape, at which point we will bring our needle back down through the fabric to complete our first weaving stitch. Now, starting on the right side again, we will repeat this weaving stitch, but we will weave in the opposite pattern as our first weaving stitch. Because on my initial stitch, I started by going over the first vertical bar, on the second stitch, I will go under the first bar and over the second vertical bar, and continue weaving all the way to the end of the shape, push my needle back down into the fabric, and complete my second weaving stitch. We will repeat this same process until the entire upper area is woven, and then we will weave the bottom area of the shape doing the same process until the entire pattern is filled in. I will say if you get frustrated with the weaving process, it is easier for me to weave if I push my finger up from the back of the fabric to help guide my needle. And it also helps to angle your needle upwards or downwards, kind of parallel with the fabric. These techniques help to make sure that your needle doesn't split threads on any of your vertical bars or catch onto your other threads you've already woven or catch the fabric itself. Take it slow, take your time, and I promise this one will pay off in the end. Have so much fun, and please like and subscribe if this video helped you, and I will be sending you some more tips and tricks.